We'll guide you through how to create a Todoist template. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Todoist website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to create a template. On the left sidebar, you'll see all your projects. Click on the project to open it. Now, look to the top right corner of the project view. There's a three-dot menu icon, which is your project options menu. Click on it. In the dropdown, you'll see an option that says Export as Template. Click on this option. A pop-up will appear asking you if you want to download the template as a CSV file or a shareable link. Choose the format that best suits your need. If you're planning to use this template across different devices or share it with teammates, a shareable link is a great option. If you're backing it up or planning to import it later, go for the CSV file. Once selected, follow the prompts to complete the export. You'll now have your Todoist project saved as a template, ready to be reused or shared. Remember, templates are perfect for recurring projects or tasks, saving you the time of setting them up repeatedly. You can import these templates back into Todoist by going to the Add Project button, selecting Import from Template, and then choosing your saved file or pasting the link. This makes setting up new projects a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.